Let's make a Scare-rarium. Here are some things that come in your make and take kit or that you'll need. Moss, a small terrarium, cardboard headstones, and a tiny skull. The first step is to put the moss within the terrarium. You probably have a lot of extra moss. Just put in the amount that feels right, and it is really messy. For the tombstones, feel free to add whatever kind of design on them that you want. You can use a pen or a marker, or you can even repaint them to your liking. Then add your tombstones in and your little skull, and then you have your base model. To make even more tombstones, or to make different tombstones, you can just use cardboard and trace out the shape that you want and then cut that out. Take a toothpick and you can score this with scissors and then break it in half. And then once you have half of the toothpick, you'll be able to insert that into your cardboard tombstone. I do recommend using some sort of glue to keep your toothpick in, and then to paint it, I used a gray and then black mixed in to give it a little dimension, but you can use whatever you like. You can use a lot of natural outside materials to spruce up your little graveyard as well. I went outside and just collected some rocks and some pebbles, some dry leaves, some sticks, and then decorated my little graveyard scene as I liked. You could use the rocks as different types of tombstones, or even just give it some sort of landscape dimension. You could also use small pebbles or dirt to create little mounds where the headstones are, or you can use the pebbles to also create some sort of path through your graveyard as well. I took a twig that I found outside and just snapped it to a shape that would fit inside of my terrarium. You could glue leaves to this, or add more branches, or just leave it as is, as if it is a dead tree inside of the cemetery. I also took some dead, dry leaves and crinkled those up. That's why I had a lot of little tiny leaves to work with, and then sprinkled those in as if they are also just fall leaves inside of the cemetery. If you want to go for something a little more cute, you can even add a little floating ghost. So I just took some scrap paper that I had laying around and created a little ghost outline and cut that out. And then there are a few different ways to put this within the graveyard. You can either use a toothpick on the back in a method that is quite similar to the tombstones, or there is another way of doing it with a string. If you go the string method, it is easier to use a more invisible string or fish line, but this is what I had laying around, and you can tape that to the top of the terrarium so it could float wherever you would like, or you can use that nifty little hole in the side of the terrarium and then tie it around the hook at the top and then have it floating in that little area as well. I'm sure you can get much more creative with a lot of the things just laying around your house. So if you do this, we hope that you have enjoyed it, and don't forget to tag us in any pictures on our social media.